And so here is the latest Koala Raspberry Pi desktop robot design. On the light brown board there that you can see, which can give you more information about what's going on in the robot, and I will explain that as we power it up. So we're just going to plug it in here. Output's initialized, so each of the LEDs is connected to GPIOs. Each LED is a 3-color LED, and so there are 12 GPIOs that are used. And so that's red, green, and yellow. And so it just came up, and you can see what it's doing now is this is a calibration phase. Down here on the servo motor, if you haven't attached the head, this allows you to calibrate it to the center of the servo. So it gives you 20 seconds to do that, and then it starts running.
Hello.
And as you can see, I'm right in front of it, so it picked me up. The LEDs now are illuminated. The 3 are green on the left, and the one on the yellow on the right is yellow. And that means that the sensor is picking up more hits on the left 3 vertical columns of the sensor than on the right. So if you think of a 16 by 16 array of temperatures, each column is added up, and if it's 0, the LED will be unlit. If it's just one hit in that column, it will be yellow. If it's more than 2 hits in the column, equal to or more than 2 hits, it will be green. And if there is a very high temperature,
I'm sensing something very hot.
then the LED will switch to red. So it's also, you can notice that the robot will follow the high temperature. So if you have a coffee cup, that's enough to set off the high temperature warning.
Hello.
So after the high temperature goes away, it goes back into its person detecting mode and tries to focus in on the person. And so if I start moving over here, you can see the LEDs change, and the robot again tries to center and focus on the person. As the columns change one direction or another, the robot will move that way. One more feature that I've just added, since this is kind of sitting at your desk watching you all the time like it is now, it's sitting there saying, okay, there's a person there, that's cool. After about 20 minutes it will ask you to get up and take a break and get some exercise. And I think that's pretty much it. I think it's in pretty good shape. Still fighting a few little things here and there, but it's a pretty happy little robot at this point.